Platform beds are different from the ordinary bed because it does not have box springs in the frame. The base of the bed is comprised of solid panel and wooden slats. Many people prefer this bed in their room because of its simple and minimalist look. Likewise, the bed gives firm and compact cushioning. The good thing about this bed is the space beneath that can be used as storage. This bed is ideal, especially if the bedroom has limited space for cabinets. There are different types of platform beds. You can choose from leather, metal, or a wood bed. The wooden platform bed is conceptualized with European designs, thus provide high-end sophisticated furnishing. The furniture has undertaken innovative transition to ensure highest standard and top quality. The wooden bed is durable and strong because it is made from 100% dried veneers as well as tropical hardwood. On the other hand, the metal platform beds have great offerings. It is not only sturdy and strong, but it does not require frequent maintenance such as repainting and restaining. This bed is made of tubular steel with footboards and headboards. In the same manner, the modern model that is made from leather comes in sleek shapes that would surely complement any decor. Definitely, this elegant platform bed makes a strong statement. The platform bed is ideal for an elderly person because of the lowered base. There is nothing to worry about regarding the space of your bedroom because there are several sizes of platform beds available in the market. The available size includes queen, twin, full, king, and kill king. Aside from being comfortable and versatile, this bed comes in reasonable prices. That is why if you are looking for a bed that brings class and elegance, yet offers a reasonable price, you should consider one. Likewise, this kind of bed easily matches with other home furniture. That is why you need not buy the entire furniture set because it complements well. One of the most popular designs is the Japanese platform bed. It comes in light colors that perfectly match with traditional furniture. Since the bed is made of sturdy construction, a user can expect having it for longer years. In addition, sleeping in this bed enhances your health as you can have sound sleep. Likewise, as you rise up in the morning, you will not complain for back pain because the bed ensures firm support and comfort. Therefore, if you notice that your current bed is sagging and makes your night sleepless, then consider buying a platform bed. It does not only make your bedroom attractive, but helps alleviate health concerns of little rest by the user. Although it will come at a cost, still it's actually worth it. Nevertheless, you can have the opportunity to find cheaper platform-type beds by searching in online stores. However, you should be very careful when buying online. Make sure that the bed will be delivered in good condition. Once you have the platform bed, you can expect that your sleep would be like sleeping.